Hi guys, what's up? I hope all of you are doing amazing. So for today's video, it's a makeup tutorial. After so long, I'm doing a makeup tutorial on my channel, like a proper makeup tutorial. Now summers are here, but also the struggles. We sweat so much and our makeup doesn't last long in summers. And this time we also have the masks. Please do wear your mask if you're stepping outside. So I'm going to show you some simple steps to do a full face of makeup without any foundation and concealer. Basically, I'm going to create this beautiful summer look. And this look is completely sweat proof and also summer and mask friendly. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. So the first step is to prep your skin, and I'm going to start with the sunscreen from Lakme. It's their ultra matte gel. Now do not ever step out without a sunscreen. In fact, even indoors you need to apply sunscreen. It's that important. So this one is my absolute favorite because it is completely lightweight and it is non-sticky. So for all the oily skin types especially, this sunscreen is perfect. I'm taking a very little quantity. Now that's the thumb rule for summer especially. Always apply very less quantity of everything on your face. And if you're an oily skin type, you can skip the moisturizer, but because I have dry skin, I've already applied a moisturizer. Now I'm going to let this sit on my skin for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it settle down in my skin and then I'll start with my makeup. Do not directly apply makeup after applying your moisturizer and sunscreen. Let it sit in for some while and then start your makeup. The sunscreen is completely absorbed in my skin. Next, I'm going to move to a primer. This is from Nykaa. It's their Prep Me Up Face Primer. Primers are very important, I think, and also they are very underrated. You will only realize the importance of this primer or any primer in general after you apply it. This primer will help my makeup last long, especially in summers. It will hold the makeup for the entire day. So बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लेना है, and I'm gonna just apply it all over my face. So this blurs out the pores and of course makes your makeup last long, and also it gives you that extra glow. Next, base पे move करते हैं, and I'm going to apply this CC cream from Lakme again, and this is in the shade Honey. I will link all the products in the description box. So बहुत ही थोड़ी सी quantity लेने वाली हूँ मैं, and approximately this much. Now let's see अगर ये enough रहती है, otherwise I'll build it up. So just gonna blend it on my finger a little bit and then just apply it all over my face. And I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender and blend this all. Okay, so ये काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो गई है. बहुत easy था इसको blend करना. Another trick to blend this is to just mix it on your hand and just directly apply it like a moisturizer. And then last में with a beauty blender or a blush, you can just evenly blend it out. Next, I'm going to set this using this powder from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Loose powder. Now powders are very important in summers, so I'm going to achieve a matte look, and summers के लिए do not go for a dewy look because eventually your skin will secrete oil and it will give you a dewy look on its own. So make sure you use a lot of powder. So I'm just going to take dust off the excess and apply it all over my face. Usually I apply it only around my eye area, but today I'm going to apply it all over my face. Also, it has got coverage in it, so best है ये वाला loose powder, and काफ़ी affordable भी है. I'm going to move to the eyebrow, and I'm using the Brow Girl Brow Definer from Nykaa. Simply just going to fill in the gaps. Okay, so done with the base, and eyebrows भी ज़्यादा नहीं किए मैंने. वैसे भी I don't do too much with my eyebrows, so it's very natural. And I'm going to move to my eyes now. Eyes, I'm using this gel liner from Nykaa. there is a complete dedicated video on this liner, and you should definitely watch it because only then you will know how amazing this liner is. Now the reason I'm using this gel liner is because it stays for almost 24 hours. It will not move from its place, and that's exactly what we need in the summer season. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeliner and I think it looks really nice. It's a little thick, but आप अपनी choice के according लगा सकते हो जैसा भी आपको पसंद है. You can even skip this if you want. But I think my eyes without an eyeliner or some sort of eye makeup, it looks really bad. So I always have something on my eye. And next I'm going to move to the mascara from Lakme yet again. And this is my favorite mascara. It's completely waterproof and sweat proof, and also gives you those completely voluminous long lashes. And इसकी wand काफ़ी अच्छी है, especially if you're a beginner. It's very easy to apply, unlike the other mascaras. I'm gonna apply it on my lower lashes as well because it just makes my eyes look bigger. So you can even try out this trick. If you have smaller eyes, apply mascara on your lower lashes. Your eyes will look a little bigger. And yeah, that is it for my eyes. Moving on to my lips, I'm gonna apply a completely transfer proof lipstick. This is from Sugar. It says Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. As the name says, it does not smudge. So completely mask proof है. No matter how many times you apply and reapply your mask, it will not move from its place. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented है, so काफ़ी थोड़ा सा लेने वाली हूँ मैं. And of course you can skip a lipstick if you are not going to remove your mask. And for my blush and highlighter, I'm going to apply again a powder blush. काफ़ी थोड़ा सा लगाऊंगी मैं, using this one from Maybelline. Just on my cheekbone, not on the apples of the cheeks, just over here. And I'm gonna skip the highlighter because I'm going for a matte look, and highlighters summers mein I really don't like the idea of the highlighter. So I'm gonna just do the last step, which is fixing all of this makeup through a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Just gonna spray it all over my face. Now the reason of using this makeup fixer is that it will make your makeup last long. Your makeup will basically not move from its place, so it's really good. It's very affordable, and yeah, my makeup is complete. I think it's very simple, very natural. मतलब इतना natural नहीं है, of course lipstick liner दिख रहा है, but otherwise I think it's kind of a daily wear makeup. So you can see काफ़ी coverage भी मिला है, and at the same time I haven't used a lot of products. And trust me, this makeup look, I mean these steps, if you follow, your makeup will last the entire day, even in summers. So yeah, let me know what do you think of this makeup tutorial. Do try it and let me know if it works out for you. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.